Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch stuck on the update screen? You're not alone. Many users experience this, especially with older models. This video will guide you through the most effective fixes to get your watch working again. We'll cover troubleshooting steps, underlying causes, and future outlooks based on current information as of February 20th, 2026. Several factors can cause update stalls on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. The most common reasons include low battery levels, unstable Wi-Fi connections, and software conflicts. Low battery below 15% can halt updates to prevent data corruption. Make sure your watch is well charged before starting. Unstable Wi-Fi connections can interrupt the download process, causing the watch to freeze. Software conflicts between apps or system components can lead to update failures. Updates rely on the Galaxy Wearable app, and issues with the app can interrupt the installation process. Bugs in Tizen OS or One UI Watch can cause repeated reboots without progress. The first and often most effective solution is a force restart. Press and hold the power button on your Galaxy Watch for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This can clear temporary glitches that are causing the update to hang. After the watch restarts, check the Galaxy Wearable app to see if the update resumes or if further action is needed. This resolves the issue about 90% of the time based on user feedback. If a force restart doesn't work, use the Galaxy Wearable app for more troubleshooting options. First, clear the watch's cache within the app. Some versions of the app offer AI-assisted diagnostics that can detect and fix update freezes proactively. Look for options like Reset, Update, or Troubleshoot within the app's settings for your watch. Make sure your app is the latest version. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your watch, so back up important information if possible. To perform a factory reset, usually you can find this option in the watch's settings menu or use a combination of button presses during startup. After the reset, you'll need to repair your watch with your phone. Preventing update issues is better than fixing them. Let's cover the key preparation steps to ensure smooth updates on your Galaxy Watch. First, ensure your watch is charged to at least 50%. Updates can be interrupted if the battery level drops too low, potentially causing corruption. Connect your watch to a stable Wi-Fi network. Unreliable connections can cause downloads to freeze midway through the update process. Make sure your Galaxy Wearable app on your phone is up to date. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues that lead to update failures. Close any unnecessary apps running on your watch. This frees up system resources, ensuring the update process has enough power to complete successfully. By following these simple steps before starting an update, you can significantly reduce the risk of getting stuck. Preparation is key to smooth Galaxy Watch updates. The trend is towards more reliable over-the-air updates. Samsung is working on AI-integrated updates that can pause and resume downloads intelligently, minimizing the risk of stalls. Experts predict fully autonomous update systems in future Galaxy Watches, incorporating machine learning to predict and prevent issues. Update failure rates have decreased significantly since 2023. User surveys reveal that Galaxy Watch update stalls have become less common, dropping to 12% of owners annually compared to 18% in 2024. Most issues, about 78%, are resolved through app-based tools. Tech experts, including Android Central's Tim Schieser, emphasize that while Samsung's updates are stabilizing, Tizen's complexity compared to competitors like Wear OS means force restarts are often just temporary fixes. They call for truly seamless over-the-air updates. Statistics show update-related support queries have fallen 30% since 2025, but 25% of users still avoid updates due to past experiences with stalls, potentially risking security. Looking ahead, Samsung is working toward more robust update processes, with fully autonomous systems incorporating machine learning expected by 2027 to predict and prevent issues. While force restarts and app tools help, proactive troubleshooting remains essential. If all else fails, contact Samsung support for assistance.